My name is Sarah Gibson and I'm the Children's CASA Specialist for the Sterling area. And today I'm going to be showing you how to make puffy paint ice cream cones. So this is a very fun activity. I have done it at CASA in the past and everyone really enjoyed it. And it looks delicious, but we're not going to eat it today. So I'm going to show you your items that you need first. So as you see, I have a just blank white sheet of paper. I recommend having thicker white paper if you have it, like cardstock, but this is just printer paper and it will work just as well. You will also need a small square of cardboard. I took this off of just an Amazon box that I had lying around my kitchen. And then on my tray here, I have a red marker and a black marker. They do not have to be Sharpies, but it's preferable if you don't have red or black paint. So we're gonna go with the red and black Sharpie today. I have glue. Now this is glow-in-the-dark blue sparkle glue, but regular standard white Elmer's glue works just as well. I have green paint, a pair of scissors, a pencil, a glue stick, and if you don't have a glue stick, that's fine. You can still use your regular glue. I have a can of foam shaving cream. Gel shaving cream is not recommended for this activity, so you need that just thick, solid white shaving cream. I have a small paper cup and a paintbrush. So to get started, on my paper, I'm going to be ready to go. I'm going to take my cardboard box slip and I'm going to see how big I think I want my ice cream cone to be. So I know my paper is not very large, so when I cut my ice cream cone out, I'm going to cut it in my cone shape of a triangle. So I'm going to cut right in the diagonal in the bottom and go straight up the middle, a little over halfway. And I'm going to cut out my cone. Okay, so once I have my cone, I'm going to put that on my paper, shape it, see how I want it to fit. I'm going to trim it up just to the right length. There we go. I'm going to take my black marker and I'm going to draw lines diagonally down my ice cream cone, sort of like this. And then I'm going to go the opposite direction, diagonal again, to finish up my ice cream cone. So it'll look like this. Then I'm going to glue my cone to my paper. So to start, all I have is a cone on my paper. And we're finished with this part for now, so I'm going to set it aside. So to make our puffy paint, we're going to take our little cup and your glue. For time purposes, I've already put mine in there. So I put in a small amount of glue. I shake my shaving cream and I add a small amount of shaving cream and I start whipping it up. And when it gets to a good consistency where it starts to make little peaks in the shaving cream and glue mix, that's when I put in my drops of green. You can pick whatever color you want. I just wanted to make my ice cream mint chocolate chip. So after it's fully mixed, you see I've just got a small amount in here and it's not going to drip and drop off. It's a nice thick creamy paste. So I'm ready to go to my paper. And you can draw 2 scoops of ice cream on yours. You can draw 1. I'm going to draw 1 scoop for this activity. So you see I had, it's a little hard to see, but I have 1 scoop on my paper. And I'm gonna start putting on my pasty puffy paint. It doesn't have to be any specific order or pretty. It's just puffy, messy paint. And the good part, the shaving cream has a cleaning agent in it too. So I'm gonna set this one down. So you're gonna work all the way through, cover your 1 or 2 scoops until that's completely finished. And once it's dry, you can take your red marker, if you want to, and you can draw a cherry on top of your ice cream cone. You could take a black marker if you did chocolate chip and put little chocolate dots on your ice cream cone. So I'm gonna show you. That's what I did. So mine is fully dry. You'll see it's got a nice puffy texture, and if I touch it, it's not coming off on my fingers, but it's nice and soft and fluffy. So this is a lot of fun. You can make anything you want. It doesn't have to be an ice cream cone. This was just a good starter. So I really hope you enjoyed it and that you have fun making.